Welcome to the Spellbinders August 2026 Clear Stamp and Die of the Month Club called Trick or Snark. This month's stamp set includes 8 fun sentiment stamps, 3 small images, and 1 large image. There are individual dies to cut out each of the stamps in this set. Let's use this month's Stamp and Die Club to create a card. Place a white piece of smooth A2 cardstock inside a stamp positioner. Add the large image and then surround it with several of the sentiment stamps. Close the door of the positioner to pick up the stamps and ink them all up with a black ink that is safe to use with alcohol markers. Then use the 3 tiny images and 3 colors of Hero Arts reactive ink, Thistle, Creamsicle, and Key Lime Fizz to stamp a background. Take 1 image at a time and use 1 color of ink for each image. Place the stamp on an acrylic block. Stamp randomly on the A2 piece of white cardstock. Add a few of the images half off the paper to give the background a fun, whimsical look. Once you complete stamping with all 3 images and colors, you can add a few more stamped images in the open areas so the background truly looks like a pattern. Once the ink on the large image is completely dry, use alcohol markers to color it in. You can choose colors that coordinate with the ink colors used on the background. Coordinating the markers with similar purples, greens, and oranges will keep the card looking consistent. Once the coloring is done and the alcohol ink is dry, try using a white gel pen to add some details to the images, such as shine marks on the balloons. Hold the dies in place around the sentiments and the image with Spellbinders Best Ever Craft Tape and run it through your die cut machine. The image and a sentiment can be used on this card, and you can save the other sentiments for future cards. After trimming the stamped background down to 4 by 5 1/4, add tape runner to the back and adhere it down to an A2 Spellbinders piece of lilac cardstock. Cut a lilac arch with Spellbinders Essential Arches and cut a Spellbinders Color Block accent arch and adhere them together with liquid adhesive to create a space to hold your image. Add tape runner to the back of the layered arch and adhere it down to the card. Use foam squares behind the colored-in image and add it to the arch. Use black foam squares behind one of the sentiments that was stamped and white heat embossed on Raven cardstock and add it above the arch. Thank you for choosing Spellbinders Club Kits. Happy crafting!